In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your payment information on the App Store using an iPhone or iPad. Ensuring your payment details are correct is crucial for smooth transactions and avoiding any interruptions to your app downloads and updates. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's usually presented as a grey icon with gears and can typically be found on your home screen. Once you're in the settings menu, look towards the top and tap on your name. This section is labelled with your Apple ID. Here, a range of options related to your account will be accessible. You're going to want to select Payment and Shipping. This is the section where you manage the payment methods that you use across Apple's ecosystem. In some cases, you may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID credentials. This is just Apple's way of making sure that it's really you making changes to the account settings. Enter your password or use Face ID or Touch ID if prompted to get through this step securely. Once you're in the Payment and Shipping menu, you'll see your currently listed payment methods. Go ahead and tap on the payment method that you want to verify or update. This should bring up the detailed information for that particular payment option. Now comes the important part, checking the details of your payment method. You'll want to carefully verify the card number, the expiry date, and the billing address to make sure everything is accurate and up to date. If any of these details have changed, whether it's a new card number or a new address, it's crucial to update this information here. Doing so ensures that your payments will go through smoothly and helps avoid any potential issues with billing. Once you've double checked or updated your payment details, the final step is to tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will save your changes and confirm that your payment information is now up to date. It's that simple. By following these steps, you ensure that your payment information is correctly stored, allowing for seamless app purchases and subscriptions on your Apple devices. It's a quick process, but an essential one for avoiding any unnecessary hiccups in your digital purchases. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide as straightforward as promised. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides on getting the most out of your Apple devices.